Olive oil down in there. That's a 3-pound chuck roast that I cubed up. We'll drop it down in there. Ooh. Oh, man. Now we're going to hit it with a little Lea and Perry Worcestershire sauce. Drop that down in there like that. All right, then we're going to get over there. We're going to bump it with that. Ooh, y'all know that Dale's, but you got to watch that Dale's now. That Dale's is kicking. So watch that Dale's. Put a little bit of Dale's in there. Now we're going to hit it with that black pepper. Oh, y'all know I like cooking with that black pepper. Drop some of that black pepper in there like that. Then we're going to hit it with that Southern Boys low sodium. Ooh, watch that color going on there. Oh, man. Looking good, smelling good. Get all that stirred in. What we doing, y'all, we're just cooking down this chuck roast. This cubed up chuck roast. We're just cooking it down. We're going to drop down that Holy Trinity right there. That's onion, bell pepper, and celery. We're going to drop that down in there like that. Ooh, get that there. Ooh, splash it on me. Get that a good little mix around. Cooking all that meat down in them onions and bell pepper, that celery. What we're going to do, y'all, we're going to hit it with 2 packs of that brown gravy mix. We'll drop 2 packs in there like that. Ooh, man. Good stuff right there, y'all. And then what we're going to do, y'all, we're going to hit it with some beef stock. Go ahead and drop some beef stock in there like that. And then what we're going to do, y'all, we're just going to mix that. Now, we're going to add some more beef stock as we go. We're going to get us all blended in right here together. See all them onions and bell pepper and celery in there with that meat. Oh, man, just looking so good already. All right, what we're going to do, y'all, we're going to hit it with some potatoes. We're going to drop them potatoes down in there like that. Ooh. And then we got some mixed vegetables right here. Those frozen mixed vegetables. We're going to drop them down in there. We ain't got no garden growing, so we got to improvise with that right there. And what we're going to do, y'all, we're just going to get all that mixed in there. Y'all, I'm telling you, you talk about a good beef stew right here. This is looking good, smelling good already. All we got to do now is cook it down till the potatoes are done, and it'll be ready to serve. We're going to hit it with a little more beef broth right here. Bring that level on up right there. I'm telling y'all, when that starts hitting, it's going to be good. You can call it a vegetable beef stew. You can call it a chuck roast stew. You can call it whatever you want to call it, but I'm going to call it goodness. Now, let's leave it up and let it simmer down for about an hour. Woo-wee, y'all, look at that. Look at that beef stew right there, huh? Oh, man, don't that look good? All right, got to fix me a plate, y'all. All right, y'all, here we go. Got that plate, got that ring around that plate. Look, if you like these plates, call the store at 225-209-0945. Call the Southern Boys store. All right, here we go. Let's get us some of this stew right here. Look at that, y'all. Oh. Ooh-wee, y'all. Ain't that pretty right there, y'all? Look at that beef stew right there, huh? Grab me up some of that bunny bread. You know I like dipping in that bunny bread. You gotta have that bunny bread. Just break me off a piece of that bunny bread like this. I'm gonna sop that down in there like that. Give me a piece of that. That's a chuck roast. I'm telling you now, it just don't get no better than that right there, y'all. Show it to them, y'all. Beef stew, baby.